Hello everyone, I'm Joey Alonso. So welcome to part 2 of my series in Acumatica tutorial. So on this series, I want to discuss how to add new fields in Acumatica. But first of all, I want to mention why do you need to add new fields in Acumatica in the first place? Of course, the number one reason is if the fields that are available in standard are not enough to satisfy your business data needs. Okay, so for example, right now I'm in the sales order screen. So on this sales order screen, for example, I want to add a reference number, which is right now it's not available. Okay, so what I will do is I'll go to the customization and then spec element. So I want to put it somewhere here. So and then I will click customize. Then from here I'll go to add data fields and then new field. So on the new field I will put here the name of the field that I want to put. Let's say I want to name it reference number, and then on the display name I want to display it as reference number. Now as you can see, Acumatica automatically put a prefix called USR or user. So in order for the system to determine whether it is a user defined field rather than a standard field. So next thing is you have to identify whether it is a non-persistent or not persisted field. So meaning it will be displayed on UI but it will not be saved in the database. It can also be a name value pair, so which is also not saved in the database. But since you want to save it in the database, so I'm selecting the DB table column. Okay, so in this case it will be saved, and then you need to select what's the data type. So if it is a string, of course you need to put some characters. If it is a number, whole number, you have to put integer. If it is true or false value, you select boolean. Decimal if it is an amount or currency value, date and time, and also this GUI. Okay, now since I selected the string, I will put here the length, so meaning how many characters this particular field can accept. So let's say on the reference number 10 characters is enough for me, so I will put 10. Then I click OK. So after clicking OK, I need to publish the project in order for Acumatica be able to determine this new field that was added in the custom. Okay, so I'll now click publish. So it will take some time, so therefore I need to pause this video for a while. Okay, so publishing is now finished. So you will know that publishing is finished when the validation finish successfully is on the screen and also the website updated. Okay, so after it is published, you need to reload the customization screen. So let's go back to the customization screen by clicking the customize again. So it will take a while. Okay, so once it is loaded, as you can see, the yellow warning is gone. Okay, so that means our custom field is now recognized by the system. Okay, so in order for you to see it on the UI, so all you have to do is to put it somewhere maybe near the project. Excuse me. So what you will do is click project and then click here the control and then create control. But first you need to check what control will be created. In this case it will be a text edit, which will be enough for us since it is a text box. Okay, so in this case you click create control. So the system now will create the control that we specified. So as you can see, the reference number is now near the project. So in order for you to see it in the interface, you have to publish again the project. So we need to publish again. So again, it will take a while, so I need to post the... Okay, so publish is finished. We'll now go back to the sales order form, close this, and then we just need to refresh. So once we refresh, the new field that we have added should now be seen on the user interface. So let's just wait for a while it is loading. So here it is. So as you can see, we have now a reference number added on the sales order. So that's how easy it is to add new fields in Acumatica. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So if you learned something, please click like and also subscribe to my channel in order for you to receive notification on more videos that I will release very soon. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye for now.